Welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing 12 essential tips to boost your Wi-Fi network. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, move your router. Place it in a central open location to improve signal strength. Tip number 2, use an Ethernet cable. For fast internet, a wired connection is more stable and faster than Wi-Fi. Tip number 3, change the channel or band. Switch channels to reduce interference from nearby networks. Tip number 4, upgrade your router. Consider a router with modern standards for better performance and coverage. Tip number 5, understand Wi-Fi standards. Upgrade to newer versions for faster speeds and better connectivity. Tip number 6, get a Wi-Fi extender. Use extenders to boost your signal and eliminate dead zones. Tip number 7, use an electrical wing. Power line kits, use your home's electrical wiring to extend your network. Tip number 8, add a password to your Wi-Fi. Secure your network to prevent unauthorized access. Tip number 9, disconnect unused devices. Reduce the load on your network by disconnecting devices you're not using. Tip number 10, check your PC. Close background programs using internet resources to improve speed. Tip number 11, restart your router. Rebooting can resolve connectivity issues. Tip number 12, call your ISP. If all else fails, contact your provider to check for issues on their end. And that's it. Follow these tips to improve your Wi-Fi network. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips.